Y'all, it looked like my real hair, like honestly. Hey friends, it's Ivelisse J, IVELISSE, and I'm back with another freaking video. Now, before we do anything, before we go any further, before you start actually watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, you can just go watch my other videos. So at first, I was gonna do this video like a voiceover because that's how people usually do their like wig installs and stuff like that. But y'all know I like to talk, so I'm gonna be doing the video in a way how I want to do the video. So as y'all can see from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a headband wig install. Y'all know I love headband wigs. Like, I just feel like they're so convenient. I just feel like they're so bomb. I don't know, they're my go-to now. I like the fact that you can still have like your little baby hairs out and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Right now my hair is just clipped up with like a butterfly clip. I decided to start off like this so y'all can see how I put my hair up. We could do the whole process of how to install this together. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all here with me, so we're going to do it together. So we're just going to get right into this video. So basically I'm going to be installing this headband wig from Luvme Hair. Y'all see how bomb it is? Like, it's just, y'all see it? It looked like my hair. Y'all know one thing about me, I love a bob. I love cutting my hair into a bob, but my hair always grows so fast, so I can't enjoy the bob as much as I want to. So I just feel like this would be perfect. You know, that way I could just put it on and go, and I don't have to worry about it growing out or anything like that. So yeah, for those who don't know, this is a headband wig. Like, it's basically a wig with a little elastic in the front. Inside, y'all see it has these like little clips or whatever. And like I said, I just feel like they're so convenient. They're so useful. You throw it on and go, do your little baby hairs, and you're out the door. Like, so I'm not gonna lie, this package looks so much better when I first opened it. So I'm gonna play like a little video so y'all can see what the package looked like and how it came and stuff like that. So the first thing that caught my eye, like off jump, that I was like, this is so cool, is these holiday nails. So basically, I got a pack of holiday press-on nails, and it comes with like these little sticker glue things that you just put on your nail and attach the nail. That way you don't have to use real nail glue, because y'all know how messy nail glue gets. So like I said, it's just like a double-sided sticker, and you just put the nail and you're gone. Like, that's so perfect for holiday parties, because a lot of times people don't want to walk around with like holiday nails, you know, for the next 2 weeks. It also came with multiple headbands in a pack, like multiple, not just one. So basically I got a white one. I got this like tan one with pearls, which I feel like is so cute. Y'all see it got like the little knot in the front. I got this gray one, and it got like metal stars. Let me come closer so y'all can see. I got this printed one. I'm not gonna say leopard or cheetah. I don't know the difference, honestly. I know there's a difference, but I don't know the difference. And as y'all see, it got the little knot in the front. And then I also got this polka dot one. I personally don't use the headbands. I usually just use like just the headband that comes with it. I folded it up a little bit so it could look like a headband. It also came with a little comb. It came with a little pin. It came with a pair of lashes and a pair of earrings, but I don't know where that is. I think I was already playing with them. Like, I was already trying the lashes on, trying the earrings on and stuff like that. But that goes to show that I was interested in what came in the box. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into this install. I'm starting off with my hair flat ironed because it was flat ironed already. So you could start off with it however is easier for you. So basically what we're gonna start off by doing is just putting our hair in like a low, like I'm talking about a low ponytail, and we're just gonna go from there. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Y'all gonna see it sped up, and then I'm gonna come back to talk to y'all. So basically this is how we're gonna start off, like I said, with our hair like all the way like slicked back real low, as low as you can get it. So what we're gonna do is like split the ponytail in half. So like this, like 2 pieces or whatever, and you're just gonna put it up and just pin it right here. I learned this off somebody on TikTok, and I just felt like it was very useful, so I decided to start doing my hair like this when I do my headband wigs. So yeah, you're just gonna get like a bobby pin and just bobby pin these 2 pieces up. Y'all, leave it to me to do like a hair install video, and I'm over here struggling. Like, I'm trying to teach y'all and I'm struggling. So basically this is how it's gonna look. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. So like I said, you just split the pieces up and just pin them up, and that's about it. So now we're just gonna take the headband wig. There was no need, honestly, to flat iron it because it just looks so good. I may like fix it up a little bit when it's on, but like I said, it just looks so good. So you're just gonna take the headband wig. I usually put the bottom clip in first because I feel like that's usually easier. And then after that, you're gonna put the bottom clip and then you're gonna like bring it up to where you want it and just like clip it down. So basically, once you get it to where you want, you're just gonna put the Velcro together. Now, I usually don't leave the headband like this. I usually fold it because I have like such a little forehead. So like I said, I can't put the wig too back and I can't put it too front. So this is basically, I gotta fix it. I'm gonna flat iron it real quick, so hold on. Y'all, it looked like my real hair. Like, honestly, like, when I first cut my bob, it was even shorter than this, but it just looks so good. And I don't know. Headband wigs are they're just a go-to. Like, I kind of like the hair to, like, fall, like, more in my face more than, like, backed up. So that's why when I flat iron it, like, to the front. So like I said, it could like fall in my face a little bit, but not too much. But right now, I'm gonna do my baby hairs real quick. They don't really need to be done, but I'm gonna fix them up so they could look a little better. I'm gonna do some makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna be back. Okay, y'all, so I ended up just throwing on a hoodie and this is how it looks. Like, y'all know I love a bob. And right now, I'm ready to go run errands and do other stuff. So I just wanted to come back, show y'all how it looks. Y'all, I just cannot stop touching it. Like, it's just so soft. Like, even after I flat ironed it, it's just, I don't know, it's just so soft. Of course, I could have did better, like lay my hair flatter and stuff like that, but sometimes I just don't be having time. But that's what I'm saying. Stuff like this is just like a simple fix, quick hairstyle, you're out the door and stuff like that. And it just looks good. Like, okay, y'all, so that's about it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And if you want to see more videos like this or whatever I have coming up on my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that post notification so you know every time I post.